Like out there, it's kind of hard to see, and it has to do with that consistent rain that we've been experiencing all night. I know it's a little dark in this image, but if you look closely, you can see how it's windy, and you can see some large raindrops on our camera. Temperature right now of 69 degrees in Austin. Wind out of the north at about 7 miles per hour. I've seen wind gusts close to 15 to 20 miles per hour overnight, all thanks to Tropical Storm Beta. Now, Beta is providing enough rainfall for flash flood watches to be in place across the Texas coast. Fayette County no longer included in this. Tropical storm warnings also extending across the southeast Texas coast into Louisiana, as well as storm surge warnings. And we are experiencing just the outer bands of Beta. Beta still considered a tropical storm with max sustained winds of 40 miles per hour, moving very slowly to the north and west at 3 miles per hour. It is expected to take a northeastern turn towards Louisiana as the day progresses, and it will weaken to a tropical depression. But because it's such a slow mover, the threat for flooding is still very high. We have seen this consistent rain just to the south of Houston, in and around the Houston metro, and to the north for the last 6 hours at least. Beta officially made landfall last night around 10, close to Matagorda Bay. This is the 9th named storm that has made landfall in the U.S. That has not happened since 1916, and that, by the way, is a record. We have still some rain across areas of the metro extending up towards Georgetown. Temperatures overall in the mid to upper 60s. And we'll continue to see some of this rain, with the heaviest rain across our south and southeastern counties. Fayette and Lee County seeing some of this, where you see that yellow, that's the moderate rainfall. Overall, most of us just experiencing that drizzle, and we have seen less than 1 inch of rainfall in the last 48 hours. The highest totals have been close to Houston by Sugar Land, over 7 inches of rain by radar estimation in the last 2 days. Now, like I mentioned, Beta will continue to move towards the north and east later today, providing for still some heavy rain in the Houston metro. The right-hand side of the storm will provide that potential for severe weather. So our southeast friends definitely want to make sure to watch out for not just the flood threat, but also the potential for some tornadic activity. Here closer to home, it's just the good old-fashioned rainfall that we're expecting. This is Tuesday, 10:30 in the morning. We still see just the lingering rain across the area. Temperatures won't change much. We stay in the mid-70s for this afternoon. We could see a heavy band move in, but the threat for that is actually really low. A lot of models keep us out of the big rain bands. Just that light lingering rain, some drizzle out there. It does look like we clear out by tomorrow afternoon. Wind gusts still expected between 20 to 30 miles per hour today. So it's going to be breezy. It's going to be cloudy, very similar to yesterday. And by the way, today's the first day of fall, officially at 8:31. We'll be right back.